How's it going, guys? Welcome to Ambro's Landscaping YouTube channel. Today we got to do something pretty fun. We got to test out how well a Walker B series model does against a very steep hillside. Now the Walker Bs are really well known out of the Walker family for doing extremely well on slopes. So I wanted to test that out myself because I've been wanting to buy a B series mower for quite a while now. So currently right now I own two T25i's and they do really well on steep hillsides. But the problem is that you have to go up backwards. So this particular property, which is my largest commercial property, which is Discount Tire, and is by far the most difficult property I maintain because of the hills. I wanted to test out how well this B series model does because I am looking at purchasing this mower. So depending on how well this mower does on this steep hillside will factor in whether or not I plan on buying it. So let's see how well it did.
Alrighty, let's do it. Came off. Good thing we're at Discount Tire.
I was looking up here.
That's awesome.
At the tire, I'm like, why are we cutting so uneven? I look down, I'm like, well,
Told you the other tires were better.
we just popped the bead. Riding with all the weight on that side of my fat butt.
You popped the tire.
Alright guys, so I'm here with Sean and you're one of the representatives for this area too. So first time meeting him, so as you guys can see, that was the best the Walker does on the hillside, which is really amazing compared to the bagging system, which could not handle that. But the tire came off, and so we're gonna go get that fixed and then we'll try on the front section. So we'll see you guys.
Let's see how it looks.
Hillside and on this particular property, and because of how well it performed beyond my expectations, I am actually planning on buying this mower. I currently have it right now on my trailer. The only way to make it currently mine is I plan on selling one of my T25is in order to get this mower. So that's what I plan on doing this weekend, is putting my T25i up for sale, and that way I can buy the B23i. But this will for sure be in my possession hopefully really soon, since the Walker mowers sell pretty fast around my area. So anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Had a lot of fun. Want to say thank you very much to Preston for coming out, bringing the mower, and also giving us a little bit of laughs with the whole tire and just pushing this mower to its max and showing us really the capabilities and the power that these Walker mowers have. So be sure to like, subscribe, and I will see you guys next time on Ambro's Landscaping.